Imagine launching into the cosmic night, leaving behind Earth's shimmering blue as your ship accelerates beyond the reach of our sun. You are not just traveling through space. You are on a journey around the Milky Way, our galaxy, a massive spiral island floating in the vast cosmic ocean. With a wingspan of over 100,000 light-years, the Milky Way is home to at least 100 billion stars, countless planets, nebulae, black holes, and wonders beyond comprehension. As our spacecraft glides forward at faster-than-light speeds, theoretical, of course, the journey begins from our solar neighborhood, a relatively calm, stable region in one of the galaxy's spiral arms, the Orion Arm. Here, nestled about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center, we begin to grasp just how enormous everything is. Every twinkling star around us has its own solar system, with planets that might harbor life, icy moons, scorching gas giants, and unknown mysteries. As we glide past Alpha Centauri, the nearest star system, just 4.3 light-years away, the concept of close in space takes on an entirely new meaning. Then comes the Scutum Centaurus arm, a dense highway of stars and gas, one of the major spiral arms of the galaxy. Here we witness titanic stellar nurseries like the Eagle Nebula, where stars are being born from immense clouds of gas and dust. The famous pillars of creation rise like cosmic cathedrals, each light-year-tall column harboring the seeds of future stars. These nurseries are the cradles of light, where gravity slowly collapses hydrogen clouds, fusing them into blinding spheres of nuclear fire. Deeper still, we enter the Carina Sagittarius arm, where ancient star clusters orbit like loyal guardians to the galactic structure. Here lies Eta Carinae, one of the most massive and unstable stars known, on the brink of exploding into a supernova. We witness hypergiants and neutron stars, some spinning hundreds of times per second, and encounter planetary nebulae, glowing like cosmic jellyfish, the last breath of dying stars. As we approach the core of the Milky Way, the starlight becomes so dense that darkness becomes rare. We are now nearing Sagittarius A, the monstrous black hole that anchors our galaxy. Its mass is over 4 million times that of our sun, and it devours gas, dust, and the occasional star, warping time and space itself. Stars whip around it in tight orbits at blistering speeds, their paths bent by extreme gravity. Here, space becomes distorted and time slows. From this vantage point, the galaxy looks like a luminous whirlpool, its spiral arms twisting outwards like the arms of a cosmic dancer. Beyond the core, we move into the Perseus arm, rich in older stars and stellar remnants. Here lie the ancient globular clusters, some more than 12 billion years old, nearly as old as the universe itself. These are the fossils of the Milky Way, the ancient building blocks from which our galaxy formed. Along the way, we pass rogue planets, worlds flung from their stars, wandering alone in the dark. We see comets arcing through space, their icy tails blazing under starlight. We witness binary stars in eternal dance and massive gas clouds that glow red from radiation. We even catch sight of the Fermi bubbles, two gigantic lobes of energetic plasma that rise above and below the galactic plane, evidence of some ancient galactic explosion or black hole activity. In this journey, we discover that the Milky Way is not just a place, it's a living, evolving system. Stars are born, burn brightly, die, and scatter their elements into space to become the seeds of new stars, planets, and possibly life. As we travel outward toward the edge of the galaxy, we enter the halo, a vast spherical region containing dark matter, ancient stars, and the ghostly remnants of cannibalized galaxies. We spot the Magellanic Clouds, dwarf galaxies orbiting the Milky Way, and evidence of the Andromeda Galaxy, hurtling toward us at 110 kilometers per second, set to collide with us in 4 billion years. Our galaxy is not alone. It is part of a massive structure called the Laniakea supercluster, a region of space so vast it defies imagination, pulling thousands of galaxies toward a mysterious gravitational center. But among them all, the Milky Way remains our home, vast, beautiful, and brimming with secrets yet to be uncovered. As the journey concludes, we zoom back through the spiral arms, past the ancient stars, the glowing nebulae, the stellar graveyards, and the black hole at the center. We return to our humble solar system, now seen with a new sense of awe and smallness. Earth hangs quietly in the void, a tiny blue dot amidst the galactic sea. And yet, it is here, on this dot, that we gaze up and wonder about the stars, about our place, and about the journey still ahead. The Milky Way is not just a destination. It is the story of everything that ever was and everything that could be. And now, you've taken your first step in understanding it.